Hi, this is Mrs. Scholes, and I want to show you how to download the lecture notes. So the link that I have in Canvas for you takes you to this Google Drive folder. These lecture notes are PDF format, but they're all a fill-in form. So you simply need to download them. If you click download, and then you'll need to open the downloaded folder. Mine pops up here in the corner for me to open. Some of you might have to go to a downloads folder to open those. But once you actually download them, you'll notice that the boxes in this document turn blue. Because they've turned blue, you can type in those boxes to fill in your guided notes, lecture notes. So these are called lecture notes in the course. Sometimes in her videos, Mrs. Black's videos, she calls them learning guides. It's the same thing. It's a guided note that you can fill in as you're taking the course. You will turn these in. They are required. So make sure that you download them. When you're finished downloading them, you're going to hit the download button again to save them. So once you've filled them in, you'll hit the download button again. I would suggest making a new folder, titling it lecture notes, so that you can find those easily to save them all for the class. Another option is just to print these off and write them with a pen or pencil. If that's an option for you, that's fine. To turn them in, you would need to take pictures or scan them to turn them in. So whichever works for you. I hope that this works, and let me know if you have any questions.